In this video, we're going to demonstrate pushing a payment against an invoice from FileMaker to the MYOB AccountRight API. We'll assume that you've already set up your AccountRight API credentials and have selected the company file that you wish to work with and have authenticated successfully. So let's jump in. We're going to go to an existing invoice that has already been uploaded to MYOB. So you obviously have to have uploaded the invoice and have the MYOB invoice ID record so it knows which MYOB invoice to apply the payment to. So we'll come and click the Add Payment button, and it's created a new payment table record for us. So it's put in the current date, so the payment method, we could say it was FPOS account, we'll say it was deposited into the check account number 1. It's amount applied, so let's say they made a partial payment, so we'll put in $100. Let's click Upload, and that's going to upload that payment to MYOB. So if we jump over into MYOB and have a look at that invoice record, we'll see in the payment section $100 has been applied to date. And if we have a look at the details for that, we've got the payment record which has come from FileMaker. You can see it's been applied to the correct invoice. I'm not sure what all the details might show here, but it's got the date, and yes, it shows us the check account number 1 it was applied to. So we can upload some additional additional payments, sorry. So if we jump back to FileMaker, we've got a balance of $160.27 owing, so we'll add a payment, and so it was a check this time, deposit it to the same account, and it was for $160.27. Okay, so let's upload that. And now we have an amount owing of 0. So if we go into MYOB and refresh that invoice. Oops, sorry, that was the payment. Just close out of that. In fact, I'll just close it and we'll just refresh the screen. So refresh that. And yeah, you can see the amount due is now 0. It's been closed out in MYOB in terms of the status. And if we jump in, we should see 2 payment records have been applied to this invoice. And there they are, payment 1000 and PY 1001. And they correspond to the payment records in FileMaker. So if I jump into the payment screen, we can see the payment PY 1000 and PY 1001. And each of these have only a single allocation. You can create a payment record where you allocate a payment to more than one invoice, but you've got to do it through this payment screen and not from the invoices screen. So you would simply create a new payment, choose the invoices that you wish to apply it to and enter the amounts, and also select the customer. Another way to do this, or a quick way to do this, is to find the customer, go to the payment details tab, the payments tab, and click the new payment button, and then you can simply enter the amount received. Oops, no, that's a total from all the allocations that you enter the payment method, enter the account they're paying it to, and over here you'd come and add your allocation. So I don't have any outstanding invoices at the moment, so that's how you would enter a payment with multiple allocations against it, and then simply click the Push to MYOB Account Record button. So as you can see, there's a number of ways you can push payments from FileMaker to MYOB using the fmAccounting link FileMaker solution. Thank you.